Here's how to use Generative Fill to add adorable pets to your images. If you're working with an existing image, hop into Generative Fill from the Adobe Firefly website, and in a moment, I'll show you how to edit a generated image. Once here, drag or upload the image you wish to edit. Next, over to the left, you'll see a few tools. Today, we're going to stick with Insert. With the brush, paint over the area where you wish to add in an object. You can also control the size of your brush at the bottom, or with the left and right square bracket keys on your keyboard. Perfect, let's add in our object. Type in a cute cat and press Generate. After a few moments, we'll be left with 3 variations we can choose from. Or we can press the plus button for more options. From here, we can download to our computer, or open the image up in Adobe Express to create social graphics, presentations, and more. Before you go, if you're generating images using text to image, under the Edit menu, you'll find a direct shortcut to Generative Fill. So if you end up with an almost perfect result, you can jump in and work your magic. And that's how to add oh so cute objects using Generative Fill in Firefly.